Yema Ghana fo akwaba na afe yenhye kasebo no ase. Yenhye kasebo no ase a. Se Ghana fo beka ya enche ayekura besa bosome elie. Ana yehu se video bi enam social media no so na Ghana fo fe yani ekohwe ya. Na eyemranti a wo moya adwuma e wo Ghana Immigration Service. Ana afe nso no eye Custom Division. Ema Ghana Revenue Authority wo mo ana kabo mu akire se. Menteme ho ase asi wo mo ntam. Ama chese penche we pa we asum na we ya pa we asum e wo kulungungu border e wo etifedo epoye mantam eye Upper East region na ensam no eba ye no aya na empenese atwinya aya na ne no kra nam enam so ema Brigadier General Zibri Bawa Ayorogo wono ana oye Commissioner of Customs ema Ghana Revenue Authority woden nsam bia pie Montreal akire mu se sa menteme ho asem a ekoso ewo Ghana Revenue Authority mnantia no ana afenso no Ghana Immigration Service for one time a enu nti asumdwe antimi ama ewo kulugungu border no eso no wono behwe ama bia emrada no atimi ato na wo a emra no bebu abo wo no said ye Ghana mra besi atwe so no wo hade a obepene ho wode tuda ekire musanke hu yei yesenka dedeba ene kokoba wo nyina ye kobofo ma nanso aba ne san ana funtom frefure da nkyamfrefo mafurubom nanso mo nyina modidi amofu mu wotiremu a eyemini mutwentia nanso no ombehwe ama babi a Ghana mrada bia no ombetimi de agu akwamu ama hwemu so atima konkanen na officers no ayehu wonum ewo video no mo no babi a Ghana mrahye ye badwiridwiri atwe pie ne ye paapa emrante no sum ama babi a won so ade won asembefa no wonum ade afa Brigadier General Zibri Bawa Ayorogo tirem se sa video no na Montreal so na ayenim kwase kese Edema eye Custom Division ema Ghana Revenue Authority ana afenso eye Ghana Immigration Service say Ghana for ebo mohoka se monkonkwa ya dwuma ewo Ghana ya hye so ewo eye kulugungu na ebe wiekire na ase moko mwankase motwa mo ho a moko de enya de se anika eno ntine se da be bi nsie bibem no wo mo ehwe amanhwe mo atima konkanen na wo amra na beche wo no kowa ni kowa pa bobonyom wasido bewo ne bewo.
Indeed, I've put up a team to investigate this issue, and I think that within 3 weeks, and I say 3 weeks, we should get the report on the matter. So that is what we are doing. I've seen the video myself. So we want to wait. Normally when there's documentary, we don't want to use it as the all in all. We want to conduct further investigation to ascertain the nature of the issue. So that is what we are doing now. Everybody who is found culpable in this matter will be punished. I said it clearly to them. To tell you I'll punish them in this way, that one, you yourself understand that you have to wait for the outcome of the investigation, and we punish based on policy. We punish based on the nature of the crime. I cannot tell you that I'll cut off the person's head, or I'll do this, or I'll do that. I just patiently wait for the outcome of the investigations, and thereafter to institute the appropriate punishment.
Enti eni ayeti ye aya Brigadier General Zibri Bawa Ayorogo wono ana woye Commissioner Edeman Customs Division ema Ghana Revenue Authority hrem se kulungugu border no a eye bambofuoi ekuemienu edikosi ani no wo mo hwe amemra atima ya adwuma
yentu akase bonu so ne yembo mfanwura mu awa ho bambo nsemu na Inspector General of Police Dr. George Ekufu Dampare wakasa da desre de ato omanga na nyina nim se yembo ye homode na yenta posifu nyina achi ne yenkonventia omanga ya nipa binum a wono mede jese disinformation na afinso misinformation ba omanga na mu utumi asema akobra ne ka nokura bia nim lady anese wanya akwanya wakotena radio sine TV sunti wiase nyina antonyo mo frɛ no ka kansema ya ni frama nsema ebetumi dia oyene ene o mambo dia ba o mayimu o jemse sa na ma no se empanifo o made amfa ya ne ansifom na ye ntwese be de wakofo man Ghana dise o man asomdwe ye nyana kokoto asemu IGP kase chem se pempenso ye du pani wiase se de aye no edin papa se obetumi akote na nso no ehu be nyese wo mka bia wo nyina betai o man Ghana posifo na chi na yetumi ya bora nipa bonfo a wono made mrahye wono nsem kan nsem bi anim na betumi akofo o man Ghana asomdwe ye nyana akoto asem na afinso kamam ka bia memu a yegusu akra so o man Ghana mu akoto asem mu ntino ye nyina yenta o mache ne yanko enfantia na police sahene IGP ade nsem nyina de tudwa dem se bia ye dro we no ehu nya pa enti be woko wura batu mu na batu anso nsem de ba bontene betumi akofo ye ne de abanti na ehu be hia se o man Ghana nyina ye hwe ye hu ye pa o kiremi se ade bia ye nsuo yi nsuo ho no ma nsuo ni nan nanso otumi nante akwa na nnuani nyina ne se PVC pipe na namu na sasem dem ba bi ne se kobrane amfa na no ankobɔ so a asem no otene ba bi agwagu nanso ni be kwa kana zanya no kura pe na akofo ye ne de abanti o chem se hu behia pa se Ghana fo nyina beta post fo achi ma yanku ntia post fo entata wonom womra wonom eku atiansema hudo bia nokure bia nim ni send se yene se betimi yaboa maniama etimi akoyei IGP de se nyina tu dwa womna summit a empanifo ma organize ye Ghana report na womoden organize ye ne IGP jemre kwasa wase waginchire mu sei eto Ghana fo nyina enim
and the sponsors both financial influence and others of such people. Let's deal with them in two ways. Through the principle of moral persuasion. Because some of them may not know. They are just being used for the parochial limited interest of an individual, a group, and therefore they just carry along and run with it. Persuasion will help some of them to get out of the trouble, even including some of the sponsors of these activities, when their conscience are pricked to the fact that why do you allow a personal limited interest to override a national interest? Because your personal interest, when it survives and the national interest collapses, you have no interest. And if they fail, through the art of persuasion, work with us to use the full force of the law to deal with them. Because such people, God will be happy for them not to live among us than to be among us and destroy all of us. Then the next leg, which I've always referred to in the 1990s through an advert on newspaper, adverts on TV when we were growing up. They say, water no get leg, it be PVC pipe, they carry out. The manufacturers of this fake news, when it becomes a product, it has no leg to go to the market. We become the PVC pipes that carry it to the level that it becomes spread and it goes back. So we need to look at ourselves and see that if there is a fake news, disinformation, misinformation, and it is spreading all over the place, we are responsible. So if we are responsible, how do we deal with it? And that's bring to the fore the concept of critical thinking. 4 key layers.
Any awuti ye aya positive nyina boss wa omagandam obi atwa ne prise Dr. George Ekufu Dampare nene ana wote ye no
yento akase bono so na yento aso wonsan fufuro mu a yeda so agire mu ewo Ghana Police Service nsensemu emu na ye nananom aneka yese anamo bi wo hono mu awutu a etise de wato ahabayira menem wo fa ho ni da ne nyina no ene se enche ye eye July busme twa mu ni da neto so edu enson ana mampani Ekufu Addo Commander in Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces wonam Eugene Ahiso eden krata tententen epie monten eso na enkrata no emunsam na kwese obapa Christianum na doso pa na ni nyina no ene se wopani ani di ADCOP Christian teteyo hunu mampani Ekufu Addo etre se Ghana Police Council amana futuo se papa yi woni madwuma se police ni nti yamane nkonko ya dwuma se Deputy IGP awono ana behwe police dom no operations eso na epie monten eso no mampani Ekufu Addo enkrata ni kire mu se ye Ghana Police Council no ana adi ne ho adanse se wo pe obi a obetimi aye adwuma se Deputy IGP padia na kire se Dr. Christian Teteyo hono no wakwasa bo Sudan da so watiase a akoko na banko a wokoposo a enye enti appointment no eba ye no akwasa awia fufuo ahia nkwanhia wo efrisa ache wadrom ntia eye emra ana ebeto odwa se wopani bia ne din ede eye Justice Abdullahi were private legal practitioner were mradimni watabiri sabuno akwakopiem ewo court say kwanya mampani Ekufu Addo fa so abo wopani eye COP Christian Teteyo hono din say kwankwanko ye Deputy IGP no Ghana mra no eni akire ho eni finfin anani animu anunti wonim bebe mampani Ekufu Addo nya sa tumi no a wode ma papa isa de brete sa anunti no wode interlocutory injunction wakọ file bi se ensam no court nhwe mu enfema no nanka yelim se akirada amachire no ayedin yeda so de ya empanisi akwatwenko ani akwatwenba nenia ene fofora betomu na sam no so mpanisi anyere ya akwesa himfie twene empainti owura Emmanuel Felix Mante wono so obi a wote Ghana mrane kakra woyetemamuni wono so akwa file lawsuit challenge say appointment no a mampani Ekufu Addo ede ama COP Christian Teteyo hono no eni Ghana mrem enunti no wasere court pa se court no ensia no ekwan afenso de wonwe ewo eye ne lawsuit no mu enyina no ene se yeni ba biada ewo Ghana mrem se Deputy IGP in charge of operations enunti court no emfa tabo na mpato mamenkan brofo kakra ene de ejamo ofa na nsia na miwe University of Bantima enti brofo ne kakra giram mepacho eniema wopani anedi edi Emmanuel eye Felix Mante wonwe ewo ne lawsuit no eni edi nkan wo se an order prohibiting COP Mr. Christian Tete Yohuno from acting in the role of Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operations. Natural say, court emphata abuanto so said the beya wapenia ni din edi COP Christian Tete Yohuno no. Want me friend who say we Deputy IGP ewa Ghana Krom Hantisadia kowa ni kowa dobewo lebewo. Na order to sumienu was an order prohibiting the respondents from carrying out any actions in furtherance of COP Yohuno's appointment. Na ochiremu whatever a year Attorney General Godfrey Eboadame ana afenso no police domini nyina so akwa kwagirem se wo montimi emma kwan emma Christian Tete Yohuno enkwankwa yadwuma ese deputy IGP enti emunsam eno no amene kasa yi Kwadwo appointment baako ehia nkwanhia bese num
ha adwen o
emunsam eno no
ha adwen pa na ye hwe bia susan de board ho no befa se omo de akokot
lawsuit
nti se mpanifo tena so a ejede be firi mu aba ne de se wa wasem a woka etwu we nyanwro ya
dabi
ye mpam ho dantenti no ye twan ya me ya adom na ewuro se twan ibehu ba biade ne bewura
etwu ne bu ho no mu a eye busua pani etwo
enya se mukuma o
wo sesa good jeans mukura azip timi sai
o kwa nya adwuma mpo mehia bi dada me ya me hia shebe
Kwadwo
yes
asaba okay nte apostle nyina ya we
se me senior man de bibia no wa mdisie no
Kwadwo praise
hallelujah
aso
yantu akase ebo no se ne mamfa wura mu e wo samsam duma se eno no wo ga west mensire nem na disha wo ne me de pineapple farmers wo me de abroba ho adwuma no mu di mbomode adua na bre kama na disha akota begun krabumpune matem na yanso yetu aguso na ye to na ye disa wo ne makase kirem se eniema hodo o mu de sikua no ne boa ye den ni scientist abaya hu o mmabo pa madwene wo no ho atete niema ne boa so de o mbebre pa bedu babi ne kua adwuma ne pombe jakob babi atena adwene mo ho kra egwefo ni kirem se niema bia hodo mo eba moden didi dwuma ne bia fertilizer afizo agrochemicals ahodo mo moden ade pitipiti etezani mfudie no so ma brobai etumi so na bribra etu bra tumi sa yasom na bo akese ebi so ma ye widi sa da won bo mo de gugugu ngura no so na nyura ni nyina tumi ahye na agya enoba na tumi aye kama wonu mi kirem se wo kwa adwama so kwoto aniama no bo ya ayate no wonu mu ntumi ntonti wonu bo be sikua na adwuma na mo ye nfa so obi ani so mabra sa mu nya ka prebempo no mo de abontoma no ekwafo kirem se sa na monto we na ekoso no se ba ma na homode amfa na nsi fom na wa mo ampa tetete na maboa so de a ebedu baabi na adwuma no beje baabi akwa wonu mi kirem se ne okwa mansan adwa so man Ghana adwade bia hodo nyina akwakoto ne ma ne boa ya denden ne nyina ne se ene ma hodo edi yakwa o mam ha sei no ne boa ya den disi aban pese ne maboa kofo no man Ghana sikasem etumi eko ejina ne nan so pa brane de a ene ba mo no homode na wonu so o mo ba moden a esikua eduadua brobe ne ho ne ma no so oma ne ma na mo de yakwa adwuma na so ntine ntumi mo na ne ma etumi koso ye pan fama wonom na mo gemre ene yensam training opoku active Emmanuel ene din ko na mo kirem se pemprenso o madu nka de ba kwa mo se na ba ne se ne nka subsidy ene ma bi wo no man ka kua ye ne ma ne de nka ontete so no mfa eka ne bi no mfa ono wanka se ntua afizo mo ka bi wo nyina nka bi mfa mo fi se de ne ma bo aye din pa no mo kua na musin saba na mo ade bedu babi no adwuma mo ye na mo nya so mfa so bi mo gemre ene opoku Emmanuel active edin kobo e mo kirem nie
so Brian, DLFM 106.9. Your man, you fly was also baby. Was export to Nanyana and Anke Brian. It is so Brian. Said Yaman, no Bafema. Bob Brian, and you say to my cannot say some million kind. Wadukwa, and foreign estate. We didn't been. I did to Uka. You feel some
DLFM 106.9.
That's it. Pimtama school na abedman ye na up to date no ya my abedman no abafem you say government no emwaye waduma bia ya so ba ne bo ede yenti nto nyama ede ye aduma nya bo ede that didn't go bo ede
about 30 slots each. That's 120 for my constituency, and my colleagues who are also parliamentary candidates here, they don't also have 30 slots each to be.
Ani awuti ye aya desia wonum esikua wa samsam oduma se no ga west mensire nem ena woti o monka na ba Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 video ne da so aba obenye bi ne wahwe na bra behwe abrobenfuo pa wonum ahye na o mu kirem a niema boa ye denti abaya mo wade mapa bi akwatena na ese bedu baabi no DJ Omale no nya brobempo ena ware eno so munsem ena wote ye no
Kwadwo say am say DJ active wadane abrobefo mu correspondent
sana hono no se ba bia wuchi no
ono owura ba bia say adase so kofa enwa ho report by
sana nu say your friend say Kodwo Ahwonfo Okogyeabour ye
no
ye ka ho asem pen mpanifo te ya
me say when tunufo adako obago fa jemrekutu
go fa be fia
jemrekutu ene mobro ho report
but obo adwuma
oh yes
and active we dey ye chia pa na kwaso abo adwuma den
Kwadwo nti ha de he sansam wo
oduma se
ene amianto akase ebo no so ne yemfiri sansam ne ye fa kire hono ma ye bepiem ewo prampram to ka be mo na ye pansram na ehono mo nso ana afarefa wonom ewo prampram ewo ningo prampram mense no mu enkrapumpu ne mantamu ekire mu se o Mario ade awuye Kwadwo kase bo ne official rada
kase bo ne official rada do ye de kra mwa akra.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yentu kase bo no so na ewiase sa na tie yesese wudi krama bo ne achi a utu kusifuna hu nti krama bo ne ni bo fia no bone nko aboisi na afarefa wonom ewo prampram ewo ningo prampram mense nom ana wo mo de atudwa akire mu se efiti bra ye mame ha wakom sen efa atete ya santoa credo safo ne bi yese epono mitum eka credo sim se twatwa panya yenim se afarefo adwuma no ye de abawie kakra no ye cross season no ye wo fisherman ni bi ho no mu a wo mo fa kwati kwan ana wo mo de torchlight si obo wure so bobo chese wo mo de nam epono so no mu yi nam nkotoa o mutimi yi ayi bonto na won na mu kire mu se eba ne sa no a ma wo mudwumadi a won mu die no eye de papa efri se adenti ana ban no ede emra aba se ye wo ebredi wo hon mu a July no ye nkopo nanso wo mu nuanom afarefo ni bi etimfa kwati kwan edi boni a ete saa nti wo mo de adesrade eto empanifo anim se wo de hie anko a akwa bedwane eno nti aban ne hwe na emra no wo ma emunya de pa se brezi ahoma se ne be ya afarefo a efe sumase koyi nam e wa bra ya tomo no Ghana mra ebetime di wonom wotiremu a se wo mu nyina edi emra no so a enam no betime abuso e wo nsuo num se ne be ya dachi bia no saban ni bie se afedie afarefo ni timi koya dwuma wo mbetime nya sika ede ahwe omoma suku pa na udru eye prampram ene ne mpotemu a chief fisherman ne din ede nenne serose kwashi one Nigeria any DL in some trofo edi enkomo a emunsem
I've observed that light fishing, illegal fishing, to which light fishing especially is creating problem for us. People from all walks of life, especially fishermen from Ada, Tema, they use Choco and others. They used to come and do light fishing here, and it's depriving us of our livelihood. Now the government made us to wait for 1 good month without eating, without anything. We were able to absorb it. That hardship, bitter pills that they made us to swallow, you have swallowed it. Now they are coming to reopen the sea for us to do our normal fishing. We are here this afternoon to make everybody understand, to everybody to hear that we people of Pram, we don't want any light fishing in our territorial waters.
Your committee will be Honorable Minister, Ocran Nhyiraba or see or person be illegal light fishing. We say illegal light fishing, Sayadi, we say Ansana Yabaya, Crossing, Yabisa Assembly. Now, as someone who catch and say, Uko weather, Ghana fish, Yanya yellow card. You just say, Akaka Claby, Yabanya red card. Red card, as such, let's say, Yanam, another fish, or Ghana Hanu, as we call Amanobium. Just a fish, just a viewer, but it would be fish free Ghana, air call outside the old Nifako. It's Yahu say, we are illegal light fishing. That I am ready to say, yellow to say, Omudi chemicals be echo issue so a bit said Dano, Kabadi, DDT, no money pay in Amunu. It's a banisa, not in Amunu, as a poison.
It does a proper one. It is a lot to Slovak say that Janako one. As you let them, Nasumada, so I want a lack of Waje, Obey Yasuku, Apuasi, Akawama school, my pure a flu. Waki Akopa, what love is got, but the Jana walk away one more. Or backbone of Backbone, Koya. ya pashika logo pro ni chumio bere jebana no baya aka illegal art fishing kabadi DDT glazing dalement aka ya mu okula anwade ko ya akpla ahun kokoba bere no mi ogbone sanu ya pe no ko na wo no ko no pe keke dano ope hiche
enti yeni abre ko say our eyes red enti kwede wada ya
enya semkuma o
on table of all
say enwa na auto no
yeni abre ko
and I was saying
our eyes red enti no so wonte
we good pal
we say you can cry wonte
you can bro
so wonte nti wo nipa ben
nwanwa
kwade se na efiada obi antimi ntu obi afo
fiada be futu kura de ye de wonne ene twam de ade aka bia boka ye betie be message na tiase de forget obi a
kwade se ene na so be ko Palm Plaza no
oh na dey oko se na de be du fia
yey enti ene de mesremo Kwadwo ba mama ne kwan wate no no so nipa
na dey
se oni o ma na be kwana ngo a
obeko na dey se sia no
mumienu
ohwe ase no me peja ne kakra nti me ko ohye mbotom se ya
enti mo be ko Palm Plaza
beko
okay Kwadwo to aso
ye free pram de aye mo mfa ngura mo e won de ada no soafo a ono ene hwe nam Yesu o my God mo Mavis our commission obo no homodin aka se kirem se aban gusu obo no homodin pa so betimi abo won ma mo ya afarefo a won so ekwapo so koyi nam no ma setrem atumi aye de nadwumadi omudie no won matumi anya so mfa so mo my God so atumi anya sika de abo man ho bra waka se kirem se aban gusu de hia ahodo bi gusu ene ye jese nyuma mfidi dwuma hodo ena vizu nyuma wo de betimi abo apa ma jese ne aposo kwa adwuma na atumi aye de ne de ogusu hihye ne nyina betimi abo mafintete ya mapanso odi ama fala fora wa muso omkwapo siko yi nam no emu otuma ya de pa odi semu ya de tuja wendra da emu okopie mu e wonne ne adan wese no no what se ne ada ena okasa na ochire mse esi ayekese no bosom baako na odi si ho se o my Ghana kita won sabosum ne nyina mu de wonim se odi o yofra ne akwapo siko yi nam de a epono watum safo ne gudu botom ti uru kwa ze betumi abode ura poso ko yi nam na ndo ga na ochire mse esi ayekese no pono wa bie de atum enti Ghana de hia mo kwapo siko yi nam ma Ghana de hia so ko edwam kotobi ewe Okogyeabour Ocran na busuafo etumi enya nam papa etumi wi amane no ochirem se esi ayekese ne mu dam hurem no akase na ochirem se esi ayekese do abane gusu abon ho moden se mo amokwapo siko yi nam ne de mate de atadwufo wa ne senti monko so ankama kuma fantum ye free senje se pa bade esine kure yo gemre ene so nkyerefo kasa ye odwumade na se.
The government and the ministry will continuously improve the sector by providing better infrastructure, introduce new technologies, implement alternatives, livelihood programs, train and build the capacity of fishermen and women processors as a way of improving efficiency and profitability in the fishing industry. Our goal is to create a thriving, sustainable fishing industry that will benefit all stakeholders. As we symbolically open the sea for the artisanal and inshore fleets, we are not just resuming fishing activities, but also celebrating the unity and shared responsibility that have brought us so far in our determination to manage the fisheries resources.
Eni awuti ye oyo swafo no ene hwe enam Yesu o my God mo Mavis hawa kumsin nene ana wote na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 video ne da so a uba ubetimi wanya bi no hwe e wo Facebook no eso eno achi na acting mission director Edma USAID e wo Ghana ha no sei Grace Lang ejemre kasa na wochirim say US man no bakwa so wataga na Ghana man Ghana na nkasa na sika sam nye ye ho kire ne ye kambosia bonso ho ne ye kontino bakwa so ahuye mobo na wonam so mo ya afare fo dwumadi omudi so bakwa so wadi sika pudo de ataye chi mo akwaso abredwumade na Ghana enem ye atumi akwaso na wochirim say epuna mutu mu na boa pa hum se pono so mutu no mu bie ne sei na nam ni nyina ya kase ndize mo kwaso ya ne se betumi aboa pa no so jemre e kasa e wodwumadi na se.
Since 2019, USAID has supported Ghana to implement critical fisheries management measures, such as low season, and it is working. The biological impact assessment of the 2023 closed fishing season shows showed an increase in the average size of round sardinella, black sardinella, and anchovies compared to before the close starts. USAID supports sustainable fishing practices like the close season because we recognize the importance of replenishing Ghana's fish population.
Any awuti ye acting mission director Edima USAID Ghana Grace Lang nene ena wote ye no
yanto akase bono so na ye momrem ewo emrahye bedwafia na NDC mrahye bedwani a wote abanwa so de ma omanfo ne adehia wonom ewo Esutifi South yewura Eric Opoku na se wuduru emrahye bedwafie nso wono obi a wokasa edema edom kuma no se bakuayo ene eduane ensam eho a na papa yi ade atudwa ewo emrahye bedwafie se 24-hour economy akane mampani John Dramani Mahama ede ba nyame ya dom 2025 no wotirem se eyade ebetimi aboa yie papa efri se eno no Ghana aban a chese kane mampani John Dramani Mahama ebedi animo no wosise nyame ya dom na se Ghana fo nya gidie na so mo de tumi no ema no pe wobehwe amakoko sector no asa konanim biem efri se emra na kane mampani John Dramani Mahama ne NDC ti abanwa so sa aban no na koko nkoa no afibia no etima Ghana sika $2 billion nanso ne mampani Akufo-Addo ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia atabiri wo man akwakogina International Monetary Fund fo anim se ye pa $3 billion awabra koko nkoa mpo na etime edema Ghana fo yewra Eric Opoku echiremu a wose 24-hour economy no eyade aba ko ebetimi aboa na ate Ghana fo bere so ofri se eno no ebeboa amemabunu atime nyadwuma ye ene wo mo beye bia no pa awiane anwumre nyina so beboa ama Ghanaian GDP no atime nyini ye pa wotirem se mfinhia nwotwe enie ana Ghana fo di tumi ema mampani Akufo-Addo ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ni MPP se wo mo emebu wo man ana wo matabiri Ghana akogina mu ene besia kase ne de Ghana akwakoje nanso besia no hu de crop abai we atimi de aye wotirem a ade ba kwa wati ana de ba bia wo pese obodin etu ni say wen eye planting for food and jobs aban ne kire so wode ba ye yewra Eric Opoku echirem say planting for food and jobs na eye eprofu ana ban edema Ghana for free say nei planting for food and jobs e wo hopa nie ana kire se bayire ba ko fia sese bio asere wampaboa nanso de ade ade sister cities ene akwada wompa aduane te se me na ene metrasia Gary Sokins midi 2 million still am media na kire se planting for food and jobs no wetirem se ayadanko dadado eno ntino 24-hour economy no Ghana fo nyina nyentum se eyade a ebeboa eno ntino se mukogina esinanimu a monkai se kane mampani John Dramani Mahama waye bi pen na mpani se obi a waye bi da no ane ma na mo piafo na nyame abiewu.
Every economic policy that is introduced is intended to achieve a specific purpose. What are the current economic challenges confronting us as a nation? First, we have the issue of unemployment, which has become an albatross around our neck. We have the issue of low productivity and low revenue. Incomes are very low. And then we have the issue of unbridled debts. Our country is soaked in debt to the extent that we don't even know what to do. Now our economy was rated as a junk economy that is not capable of paying its own debt. And so we need a policy that will first and foremost increase production, industrialize the economy, add value to the raw materials that we produce from the agricultural sector, an economy that will throw out millions of jobs to
eni ayeti ye eye esunafo South emrahye bedwani a wono ana se wudru emrahye bedwafia edom kuma no wono ana ekasa ede ema edom kuma no ewo enuane eni kwayo ensam eho yewra Eric Opoku ana okasa yeyi
yantu akase bono so ane ye bomfa nwura mu ewo Ghana mampeni akache nana adodankwa Akufo-Addo wakase echirem se sia yekese no omugusu yenjehie bia no baba boa pa na nyina ne se National Action Plan e baba boa se Ghana de hie bia omode misinformation and na so disinformation omode ba bonten e o mai baba to aba e won fimpi mene duni na imo no o chirem se pedifo antrase avanje se pa mfa ma no mansi sa na mbone ne ho kwan a e ba hadwen ye pa Ghana mampani andada e yo sana abosom de na dikan e fimpi mene duni na imo no kwakasa ye e wan ye Ghana Report Summit dwumadi e course no wo chirem se Baby o manga na du sese no kamuke bia membo no yakoye ni mu pa bo ho ban azese amekesi no manga na asumdue mapa ene de hino manga ne ya membo ena afin so ya mamba ne gina na so pene F3 eye emfempim kron eye edun kron ne adokron miensa 1993 mu ene yakoso akura mu asumdue mapa e wo manga na mu na so etim de tie ye kese no ohwe ansema hodo bi ne mo manga na montene so F3 mra agese ne amambu a ekoso e wo manyi mu ena afia ne digital world ya gura mu ene abafo ntentanyin so obi ada na ho nsem training be ho ana ne tetefo na watwe Facebook no nam so bebia na ode nsama no kura bia ne odigu montene so Ghana man peni kire mi se koba ni si yentumi mo my Ghana bato de yanimu no asomdwe yentumi ma na afin so kameka mememo no so yentumi nkura so ntin omekoso anyese pade ya boa mo my Ghana asomdwe ye wona yetumi akura so na yetumi aboa na de hie bia wona mfa koti kwan eka nsem bi enim ma ede o my Ghana asomdwe ye nya ena afin kameka bia mememo no ekoto asem ne yetumi wo moden atumi akon atuase Wajimna kase edwumade na se emu etremu nie.
In the run up to the 2008, 2012 and 2016 presidential elections, I was the target of numerous false and malicious stories aimed at attacking my credibility and integrity. In 2008, baseless allegations of drug trafficking were spread, along with numerous rumors about my health, intended to cast doubt on my ability to serve as president. President Kufo was also accused in 2008 of having sold all of Ghana's gold reserves. Again, the 2012 election saw false reports of my alleged arrest in London for drug possession and fabricated quotes designed to stir ethnic tension. In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife.
Eni a woti ye aya Ghana man peni nana adodankwa Akufo-Addo nene na woti ye no
yento akase bono so ne enkan Ghana fo adwempo no kakra e wo Facebook no eso a na Sapon Prince piaga wodi fra chema safo an wose kase bono emuda ho pa na mampani Akufo-Addo so wo ye promise keeper yedase DJ Opai de Mo Felix Edifri Kumase no se news no emuda ho papa kire se enya asam ketwa wodi fri Kumase so ame ana wono so wode eba ya na Thomas entry ana wo so wo me adwom yakwaba pa na news no de eya fantastic na wo tie yen ehwe yen live edi free Kumase yeda ase pa ana Anthony Gavo wo say wow fantastic news by all standard DLFM muye buwe pa ana Ekofi Parliament Agona Bobikuma in the Central Region wono to se kasebo no wo tie papa na de ba ko beka kire Ghana fo nyina no ene se wo hwe wasetene mu a na watu aba enya ntokwasem no akwetena ofie din odoi edifri tema and was say JDM NDC has nothing to offer Ghanaians and a fantastic Wilberforce was say what the free say we are saying so and was say kasebo no edem papa ewo ho Frankie Sego DJ Cyrus edifri mankesim and was so me adwomi akwaba na DLFM always the best na wotie papa edifri babia okay you heard that say was say Robert Gamelin sunie ana was say kasebo no emuda ho na o me adwomi akwaba pa na brofo na no oden to de akiri wo de wo na Mamon Belinda was say good evening wofa metie mu hwem live edi free Adonta Anna Richmond Fletcher was say I am watching you live edi free Adabraka and was say good evening wofa and then wofa say more fire and no so de abai yenyina we so nya boafo nkra to ye bad ya ka akiri ye de ebesomo. Makwantu ohun sam eye medadwen nanso me yensam troni nti menya adaje ye hwehwemu ekohu Sunday Sam's consult na wonum nti ende metimi ba menya abrani adaje ekenkan ye eye investigations about womo ana me hu se wo apply for visa assistance a enfeli efri se wonum ewo track records madansi die nie ma me nintrel Sunday Sam's consult edi Britia webi ebeje wo visa amount say wo ko United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, na fe krade Serbia any Greece nso abeka ho a work permit etechiri ma menchire wo mo echiri kwan Sunday Sam's consult ewo Ofanko barrier asofan a wo ben Wise Park Hotel ewo asofa new station hono a phone number 0244291546 email address nso samuelowusu626@gmail.com yeti ehudi enti we connect dreams with opportunities emanenye wadwendwen frɛ wonom na nso bedi adanse empo asede media
Hey, anokwase fix my ride adwumayekoi ama omanfo ebopre mai etwetanga egu yeso okrom ha papa se eja Ghana ha wo mu ne abenfo a wo mu sisi accident cars man ye se car manufacture na neya wo mu bomode eye engine tuning overhauling body works oven spraying air condition service upholstery electrical works automatic gearbox repairs maintenance and general car servicing bia so waka dada anase asay na pese wo ton fe wo beto e amount sesia wo mu touring car beto car ma free so your customer dia and so the accident car ba on be mark afofo se twi enu so free shesha fix my ride limited e chi pan wo Accra Academy School no enchemu ho Odoko police quarters kwano so Atiko Junction Goyo fuel station no echi Kaneshi Odoko highway 1 crime fresh 0303 944 880 0202 227 660 0540 556020 and our website www.fixmyrideghana.com. Fix my ride, own the finishing.
DLFM 106.9.
Abusia enanyumre mayansama wadron ensama wakwaba emrewedu se agudie mu nsem papa no abusia yetena se na nanyumre yesane edigufem edima Ghana nsem wa ena nkrofon kroso the latest any exclusives na yababo ni nyina no a yede ebabeso enanyumre mi amede nsem na ba na di ameje so no eye ayensu ano de hye apakan GH the blessed king abusia yensha agudie mu nsem na se emfamfi ndiem yewia na ya konkrofon kroso ne yede hode no so edi asomo na Ghana brandte ye friend Brandon Thomas Asante nansia no nya kola potuaro efred no sinakan edi mabobo ko friend West Bromwich Albion ewo England championship no so me no ka say another championship team ye friend Coventry City no o metumi assign Brandon Thomas Asante striker na wakasa o si nani agese wetumi adwane bobo ko a ye friend Coventry City o si ontumi ntwan kra se obesi agopramane so esi akan enti nani agese wadwane team no.
Hi, it's Brandon Thomas Asante. I'm really happy to be here, really excited to get going. Yeah, I can't wait. So I'm counting down to that first time to be out there and to get to meet all the fans for the first time, to put on a show for them.
Brandon Thomas Asante Ghana striker dey Wefi West Bromwich Albion akwa contract Eriama Coventry City enabusia watene nkano na Ghana bayeti akunya so His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo edano no se obeka omoba bemu no ade ba kwa omudi si omane so ene se mantem du dada no ombeye multi-purpose youth center ewo na me no kase wonsam no akwakoye bibia wo yenim se amario se omunwie o na Pius enam hazije na ye CEO edema National Youth Authority na osi animanimu ya no Ministry of Youth and Sports ashe se makomako ensia na aka no omuntumi nwie na ensia no omunwie kura no baako de omodikan awie dada na num na aka no de animanimu ya no contractors ebe hyasia ya adwuma normal commission ya start yusu.
The minister's instructions were that we should expedite action and ensure the prompt completion of 5 out of the 6 facilities. Along the line, the governing board added 1. So as we speak, 6 of the youth resource centers very advanced.
Pius enam hazide CEO edema National Youth Authority yetwaniti a efrene NYA enabusia watene nkano Kumasi Asante Kotoko akachi no coach your friend Dr. Prosper Natogum okoye surgery bi enti team no ehye prison aseni ade ene ombebo has game no democracy cup no ni nyina no nka obi na endra nyame ncha de wagira na so ena oni team na start training na Dr. Prosper Natogum emamrante na bas o mamrante na kwaba eno bom abaso echima ende no omo ye wonderful job against House of Folk etumi ehye omoje democracy cup no na sa performance no a omo daladi against House of Folk no so omo the same commitment and mentality edi racism ma enyama be fa dia.
Again, I would like to congratulate all of you here for the wonderful performance and the victory you put up against House of Folk in the democracy cup. It's a master showpiece. We gathered for a few days, we regrouped for a few days.
Dr. Prosper Natogum coach Edema Santi Kotoko ena ebusia watene nkana haso folk akacheno Honorable Vincent Orote Soa board member Edema Hato folk na ha supporters no team no a relax signings no omo signing sana Kotoko sign no eno na Honorable Vincent Orote Soa echema o se transfers no oya aya na strategic enyama bebre ekom into omo haso folk omo nkasa bebre omo signings omo person omo ye no na omo try say ombe puti a competitive squad together for next season to supporters no munya abotre.
Although you have people, transfers are strategic things, so we won't talk public. Remember that the transfer period is a matter, it's not a sprint. The transfer window is not closed. So far we think we are able to
Honorable Vincent Orote Soa board member Edema Tima Yefen Hato Folk Enebusia what tenen kan Kofi Koji former player Edema Bobokwa Yefen Hato Folk audio futu sambi Edema Tima Yefen Hato Folk osi enkaneno na empene for Enebo Tima Yefen Hato Folk players omo experience ekukudam na yede nkwala kakrebi Edia Bataon na so say the Hato Folk asesa ena nkwala no mo doso ena mpeni for the experience no kakrebi nti animanima ya no obetu team no for signings omo ye no omo ma experience players ne no so na nkwala ne kakrebi
omo pe se nipa 10 omo pe senior players to say 6 and 7 omo pe 1 or 2 nkwala bi fan blend and senior players to say 5 omo pe nkwala 5 and fan blend
DLFM 106.9
I say kotokone hands na so o steady a those times when conform mobile has no people want to call 1-2B.
Kofi Koji former striker Edema Tima Yefen Hato Folk ana watene nkano na endra weka ya metena senemere tu wani manyumre no se Gaka chairman Mr. Kujofiano echema osi afi Gaka tofo na ebeba so na wo Enswateman FC ene Samates echema omo bo insenchire cup enti omo sanso be kwa Africa enti Gaka tofo ne de omo ntumi mbobi enti enam so kra no Gaka tofo no omo de kwata kwa na TNA pa koma kobo no omo de media account na Eric Alagidede general manager Edman Swateman Osi sansem na mountain enya no kro omo ntro krata bia enkoma Gaka eno omo receive krata bia emfa fi Gaka wa kire so omo no omo motor phone no
record street Swateman officially enya communicate bia free Gaka ho ena Swateman as a club no officially in communicating to Gaka for say for yebo two different scenarios and I'm setting straight and open.
Eric Alagidede general manager Edema Bobokwa Yefen Enswateman FC Nebusia watene nkana ono so de nsem adia tuga yedi ama Nebusia yenyina no so ne yemfa fisem ne nsim na yenwramu amanone na yemfa ne afi won so emfanto animdia Ebusia yenhyase emfanfi eye Bobokwa Yefen Real Madrid akache ewo Spain na Carlo Ancelotti ena ye manager Edema Tima Yefen Real Madrid na yene didi nkobo mechirema nsantwefo ena yebisanse afi Ballon d'Or no wan ena eje ena osi o Ballon d'Or ne de Vinicius Junior ena ebeje Ballon d'Or no osi Dani Cavaya wa performing excellently with Real Madrid and Spain obefo bit say Jude Bellingham oni money kejiwa obefo bit say Rodri for Man City and Spain no ne kejiwa ne momo no Vinicius Junior ewo nanim edichi omunyina Champions League oje La Liga any nkruwa ahodo oje Champions League final na oshego semi final no oshego we Emma Brandt friend Vinicius Junior no o stand to sa fi Ballon d'Or no obetumi age we ni nsema Carlo Ancelotti di atuga na urem ewo man ya friend England ayewo sam efioba and is a former Leicester City or manager ya friend Craig Shakespeare no me no ka say wenyane baby ko mfie eduosia enonya no ofie abusuafo atwa ne wahia na ayewo sam yi papa enyane baby kwa sa ayewo sam ne so ba yedima Fulham United assign Arsenal omo English midfielder your friend Emil Smith Rowe the abawe pimo o makache ska omo tua no 27 million pounds and 7 million so no add-ons abrante your friend no ende no Emil Smith Rowe wa be sign long term contract the ama Fulham United ye the one some edema Atletico Madrid and so any abre omo person omo sign Argentina striker o your friend Julian Alvarez so sina kan the Man City ni anamete and say bobo kwa your friend Atletico Madrid no omo ni abrante ni camp edidi nkomo abrante na jatum say obabe sia kan dia 5 years contract and omo pese omo de mana like say Julian Alvarez ebe kwa kosina kan edi ama Atletico Madrid ebusia ye de won sam edi atu anim na Bayern Munich for echima omo players ne doso nti ombeja bi kwan ama omo continue Zema Zure Matthias Delete, Kingsley Coman, Brian Zaragoza, Serge Gnabry, Leon Goretzka, Joshua Kimmich, Alfonso Davis, and Leroy Sanino. Almost a good office bar. Sam Rantain, Ombeja Omquine, and Mama Petim for Fracosioma Candia Mama. Ye don't some at the Amabusian so not a good yamon sama Yerebesomono. Yam fancy Yami Admochna. Ebo anopa nonkron ekosidumi enu ahia na yemfa gudiemu nsem papa no embesomo me amede nsem le bai dia meje so no ayensu ano de hye apaka GH de blazek na busu ya gudiemu nsem na asi
yento aso mfiri ha ne Ghana fo nso eni enkomo ebusu ya bra so se wo befa wo tetefo no na wafre ne abo nkomo ni nyina no ene se president mo rempimu asiedu Dr. George Akufu Dampare ede kokobo warning ekwodi amagana fo nyina se ebritia wo ya kai ya kwatu abai se wo benya akwanya kwatena radio so akwatena TV so social media no so ensemo a edi wo jambom empapa mu oman ne bese na wo keka no de weni every se ye chiwa obi nkase putuo nhye embe ni nedwo ne dato mu a obi a befa ne se kan akwa bi we ye futuo ene warning wo gi se futuo esen na se na wo beka de a kire obusuani bi a Okonya akwanya fra radio so a ayampia any ayampia 0534 050199 0534 050199 0593 4065 65. Good evening.
Good evening, no Papa.
Me wa fa sibenie.
But Paulina, Dominic.
Hey, manye ofa na tete. Why, bon, twas a man cry, not the young can cry. Could this be beswienty?
But I don't for I can
Tia Futo Ban, our cardiac boys and gassy.
It's never catch on a grab at some men. Almost compensation, almost a tomba. Almost braffy, no more specialty, and we are some big now. Na oma kosu any Okogyeabour ho
manya o you adon onu
o fa na yo nu
manya alo nte keke chufa alo
ba so me start
on ti asi abetua school fees ni enchire wiye Good evening
Papa
me wo fa sibe ni
Papa mpacho Papa Jeni o Sama Community.
Papa mamintie we.
Awo, yada agiti. Tutu me na ke person na pa. Demo na ka san ka ya ke tira tra. Because since na do started say I will not hand over to any party except my party. Then I can't me na ka san me na di. Nan ka kono nan ka wo say agiti. O ka sa nan ka yo mo bi na wa sin say without everything, IGP or Buina, but one got a watching a common dancer. No, we never say, no moment, no, I can't ever. That's the day.
Men so, Meda CP, good evening.
Good evening, Offa.
Me Offa Sibenie.
Oh, what was comfort?
Anti comfort, Mamintie way.
Me patrol, Mr. Media, they said, I somewhat or one can say their back end. Omu sheso omu bedisu omu kwesi afondisu and a voice ya ye nyanya bibi ma wo no mu di moto su no omu be wo na Ghana tiase na president ne manu mo tiase e de so mu be show mo ti ajo mo nim na bana ya kwakotu tu na ko fie obi a window Yamini Tre, and police penny Nikayano, almost BNC, no Munyo or Susa. Amen.
Amen. Medas say, ye, Kafra went to me, and you so. Miss Ramafutuno, and yet, Timemufuano Kwa. Moon to be money and some trophy, so for the say, nay, ye were NPP presenters, and ye were NDC presenters. Samubeka year 1995. A year Rwanda genocide, a year some drone in a cofa de baye. Say, see, I know IGP will to free. NCA Gusua the license, Emma politicians, ABB radio. Enti politician radio station, what Nancy and the opponent and Ottoman no. A footway, moon treat some trough on moon tree and more palm. Fisian Yena Kwenya better radio swa. Inaka Credia, say ya. Good evening.
Ofa.
No offer say.
Brajan, it's a come to 11.
I'm in your Brajan.
I go to watch my Benetica. I'm married to 2 months. 2 months are coming. I'm married to go 2 months are coming. Now, some are working on. So, journalists, ethics, radio station, because they get the trouble to be
Mr. Personalize yourself, can general, why?
Yo, Martin, you are not kind of say, only country journalists saying you're going to.
Yeah, maybe I won't get him into my head.
One journalist for now, one more time, someone won't hear. No one said before, no.
I feel I walk as an Agas, you know, the MTA.
Capra. Bye bye.
Say, Papa, me come so for Cabin Kumamia, Medaya. Adria Meding and Manga. Good evening. My great
Uncle, good evening.
No, if I say a poem to say
the gangster cat meeting crack.
Lydia, North Carnation for somewhere.
Okogyeabour Ocran.
Yes.
Uncle.
Yes.
I say we're wrong. Proverbs in the Bible, you say fear the Lord and depart from evil.
A proverb chapter saying.
Uncle Fanessa.
Yeah, would have the mebru. Bombing come.
If you went wrong, I fear the law of the country and depart from evil. Like, especially more multi social media flow, who say media bloggers no. Social media bloggers no. Like, more master near work no. More sometimes journalists back them. Media blogger the battle talker no one can say or no open no the way as so. Open comment na say na we show comment that then you now both. Because said you more presenter as them say the who tear them no. It doesn't match. It's your best rapper, your best rap. And then the leaders too, they should try their best. Most of media bloggers get misinterpretation of any information now. Then you trace and catch the person.
That's right.
Those who are also behind or those who are also following the same footsteps, they will also depart from that same road.
Obro for the M so we University of Bank money be. Mo lady that's it went to me and so yamfa afrefo no ebiem. Na IGP akasa nembum kakra de beto so ne say ma wa masa amra we enkwaya nansententan enche enketwa ne nya akese na politician timitina radio so we minister we MP we DNDNT ono de wetimi kanse muhunu ye nche no IG ye nimse wutume no so sine politician obi ayabone ache no firise krom ha ye we eye etiamra say ye to aba we fa ballot paper meboa kodwe meboa
okonsanete
enunti ana 2020 elections 2016 mrantie bi edin senseme ewo voting centers ya wo mu kodi adwam no
yes anete
sansem huno no bi no politicians ni bi di enso amoti ase didi eda enti IG ye nyina ebeta wachi amwa succeed nemom emra wei eni kwase koye anansententan eche nketo no a enti akese no so kodoni no no
okwan no na me ade ba ko ha me ana ye wo news na me kan ne se ekwan a NCA for fa so man license ma obi
radio license
yes EDBA TV no radio station from ha no say yan hwe ni ye bedu ba bi na beje yan sem free say Omana yetimu no yewo NDC 4 stations wo krom ha. Ye wan BB 4 stations wo krom ha na se bo mo kwatena radio ni TV ni so a. Ensema mo ka ebetu anwia ne mfutuo de agu ebi ani ma o maje o mamwaji tafo aje o madi na o mo ka. Eni se na koba ni se ye oma no nya ne ye na ye pe o. Ye won sem trafo ma kwaji sika DLFM nyokuo bi ni machi. A ni se ntinse mo anya no kre a ebegu obi hu fi ni ye ka ne krom ampanifo nim. Nanso ma ye din. Ye besre se pesi ye tu ase a mo hya se mfiri soro ye te kroma na obi kwatam ballot box ewo parliament ho o dimri content
ono kwa de wasare
ekosi sen emla na mo hya se openini ya na match na tum efia bofo ne te wono mo ni se pani we kura ma se badwani mpo no wadami na me nso na mo anya ne sa de ya na se ne botata o mo fam na emwa ndi se de ma kan nyina teche na mo ne mra no ebe ya adwuma na mo no se be pra efriniti mo hya se mfiri so ne nyina ye ntechire na emwa
Kwadwo ye nyina no ye wakwanya ebetena radio so it doesn't mean say ye nimunyansa che Ghana fo ni nyina ye de yakwanya keke ne nya
sanete
sometimes ye timitie ye nuanom presenters ni bion ye create me ka say akrache de wo kan yensem hunu
pa
but because of say bia what NDC station enti de obeka no obi enka hwe what NPP station so na utietie sometimes wono radio discussions omo ya utim say totally eyemura but wine
wono wo say na wine say okaka ho
enti IGP misinformation and disinformation mampani akufo ado kan mampani party communicators ni bi nso ye wura both parties
sanity
kase boni ye dibesi ye kan si ane ekọ Ghana first DJ Omari ode ko Facebook no so akenkan fo nso ye mienu medi konkonta na mada edi ameje so eye gam stakat ya mitenkura Okogyeabour Ocran Minister of Penia enra twen manuzi enra efom se bem enenso efom se twatum won sori biom bodin
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B no ko yes sorry si na enchi akese enkoma the Church of Pentecost Kantamanto Assembly no ni Old Fadama district ni nyina enkopa ya doma Sunday behia etimi che obu nyina wa pastor for the Insia ya Timo district pastor
no offers
Old Fadama ha offers ketwa na mi ankasa me president elder Daniel Okansi tete michia ne pa ne secretary cake Eselmensa michia omu nyina
tidabe pa na misumenya sofo a machia ne bie
ene wo ho sa wo se wo twen National Cathedral no
ene yensi nwie de
musi wi aye bompa ese bia owusu bempa ba kwada no
ebikusi buaten ewusu ayakram